This land, this nation has been a source of tremendous talent and genius in the past. The greatest scientists, doctors, mathematicians were all devotees par excellence. Because in devotion, you become an inclusion. In inclusion, nothing is beyond you. To be a devotee means to arrive at a different dimension of perception and intelligence, to drop the petty and to invite the possibility of the divine. Devotion is a tremendous tool to break all limitations within oneself, limitations of psychology.
Complete in these 21 days.
The idea of the 21-day sadhana is to make devotion a part of your life, every moment of your life. It's not something that you do or you do not do. It is something that you live. It's like your breath. If the grace of Bhairavi, if her footprint is established in your heart, you never have to worry about victory or failure, prosperity or poverty.
All that human being considers as well-being will be his if only he earns the grace of Bhairavi.
शुभे ब्रजेन्द्र पीठ